Hey guys, I have here the air purifier PH950 from Turonic. This is here the unboxing video where we're going to show you how this device exactly works. And it comes with a lot of different features. We have here the air quality indicator, smoke sensor, a timer. It has 8 different speeds. Then the filter health indication. Comes with a child lock, the auto mode, and then Wi-Fi control. And it also has a sensor for the ambient light. And when we take a look at the side of the box, we can see what components the air is going through on its pass through the device. So first we have the mesh filter, cold catalyst filter, activated carbon filter, antibacterial filter, HEPA filter, a UV light, an ionizer, and it even comes with a built-in humidifier. But now let's have a look at the actual device. So I'm going to take this out of the box. And the first thing we're going to do is look at the filter system. So this is really easy to access by just removing this front cover here, and right underneath we see all of the filters, and we can take those out one by one, and all of the filters are actually sealed from the factory so that they don't go bad while they're in the store. So we have to actually take them out of the plastic before we can use the device. And right behind there we find the ionizer, the UV light, as well as the humidifier. Next, let's have a look at the top of the unit where we find the button controls. First we have here this indicator light that tells us when it is time to replace the filter components. And then right above there we have the child lock key. Then there's a sleep mode that allows us to dim all the lights. You see this? There's a couple of LEDs around this unit, so when we press the sleep mode, sleep button, then all these lights are going to turn off so they don't bother us at night and we can sleep well. Then we have here the reset button for when we replace the filters. Then there's the button to disable or enable the UV light, as well as the ionizer. Then the next button is the timer. This allows us to shut off the unit after a time of 1 hour and up to 12 hours. Then we have an auto button. This will automatically regulate the fan speed depending on how clean the air is. So the cleaner the air, the slower the fan will blow. And then we have here these manual buttons. So you can see this here, we can manually adjust the fan speed, and then it's represented here in this ring how much the fan is blowing. And then we have a center display that shows us how clean our air is. So the lower the value here, the cleaner our air. And then this air purifier actually comes with a remote control, and this gives us all the options that we have also at the top of the unit, so we can completely control the device from our remote. And now let me show you how the humidifier component works. So there's this tank on the bottom of the unit. Then we have here this blue piece that looks like another filter, but it's actually there to help with the evaporation of the water. We just place this in here. And then we have here the small rubber cover. When we remove this, then here, this is a fill hole, and that's where we fill it up with water. And then we place the tray back into the unit. And now it's also going to work as a humidifier. Right now we have here summertime, so I'm not going to use the humidifier at this point, but in the winter time this is definitely very useful. Okay, so this was all it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.